Hey guys, Dr. Cullen here with Healthworks Chiropractic. Just wanted to show you some techniques we use here in the office to adjust the hips and the low back. If you're having
Is there like one side that's off more than the other?
your right side is short compared to your left, so that means your hips rotate like this.
Oh.
So then we just shift them back. Just relax. Oh, other side. Hips forward. If you're having any issues in these areas, give us a call at 615-867-1144.